The cover bracket secures your mower's side discharge door to the deck. The discharge door's hinge pin passes through and is secured to the bracket. The metal bracket can be bent if the mower is struck against something, causing the door to come loose or not close completely. Replacing the cover bracket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the hinge pin from the side deflector. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to slide the hinge pin away from the spring and bracket. Now I can remove the bracket. It's secured with 2 bolts from the underside of the deck. Now I can install the new bracket. I'll align it with the deck and secure it with the bolts. The bolts are self-tapping, so it takes a little bit of effort to get them started. Now I'll reinstall the side deflector. I place one end of the torsion spring through the small hole in the side deflector. Now I'll align this assembly with the bracket. Now I'll insert the hinge pin through the deflector, the bracket, and into the spring. I'll only insert it about 1 inch. Then I'll take some needle nose pliers, grab the leg on the opposite end of the spring, and bend it around so it's on top of the deck. Then I'll use a hammer to tap the hinge pin the rest of the way through. And now you know how to install a new cover bracket on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.